Hai guys, welcome to Nagis Project. Sekarang kita mau pengen review Silver Queen Bites. Ini peanutnya adalah almond nuts dan ini peanutnya adalah cashew nuts. Kita mau pengen cobain yang mana yang paling lebih enak. Oke, sekarang kita mau pengen cobain yang mana? Kita mau pengen cobain yang almond nuts first. I don't really like peanuts. Good. Very good. I give that a 2 out of 10. I think I'm going to spit that peanut out. So I need tissue. I haven't tried this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Too sweet. The peanut is too sweet. Bye guys, see you in my next channel. Subscribe button, then hit the subscribe button. Turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up, and of course, ring the bell and give me 1,000 likes. Bye, and see you on my TikTok.